1. Physical AI and humanoid robots. What is it? Physical AI combines artificial intelligence with robots, machines, cameras, sensors, actuators, and real-world environments. Instead of AI simply generating text on a screen, it can perceive the physical world, make decisions, and perform physical actions. Humanoid robots are one visible form of this technology. Modern systems combine computer vision, machine learning, language models, balance control, and robotic actuators. How was it developed? The technology is the result of decades of robotics research combined with the recent progress of deep learning and foundation models. The major change is that modern AI can increasingly connect perception and reasoning to physical movement. Forrester describes this transition as AI moving from screen to street, with physical AI already being tested in warehouses, factories, hospitals, and other environments. Forrester. How does it function? Camera, sensors, AI, perception, reasoning, planning, motor commands, physical action. For example, a robot can identify an object with cameras, understand what it is, plan a movement, and control its arms or legs to interact with it. Advantages. Automates repetitive physical work. Can operate in dangerous environments. Can work continuously. Potentially helps address labor shortages. Can adapt to changing environments better than traditional fixed automation. Disadvantages. Extremely expensive hardware. Safety remains a major challenge. Difficult real-world manipulation. Requires enormous amounts of training data. Maintenance can be complicated. Could disrupt some forms of employment. Forrester specifically notes integration, scaling, safety, data, and workforce challenges before humanoid robots deliver broad value.
AI agents and multi-agent systems. What is it? Traditional AI usually waits for a question and provides an answer. AI agents are designed to pursue a goal through multiple steps. A multi-agent system goes further by allowing multiple specialized AI agents to coordinate. Example: goal planning, research, analysis, execution, verification. One agent might research information, another analyze it, and another check the result. How was it developed? It evolved from large language models, tool use systems, retrieval systems, computer use technology, and workflow automation. Gartner lists multi-agent systems among its major 2026 strategic technology trends, while IEEE predicts AI agents will increasingly become standard in business environments.
3. Quantum computing. What is it? Quantum computers use qubits rather than ordinary classical bits. Classical computers process information using bits represented as 0 or 1. Quantum computers exploit quantum phenomena such as superposition and entanglement to process certain classes of problems differently. How was it invented? Quantum computing emerged from the intersection of quantum physics and computer science. Researchers realized that quantum mechanical systems could potentially be used as computational devices. Today, companies and research institutions are developing different types of quantum hardware, including superconducting, trapped ion, photonic, and other approaches. How does it function? A simplified process is qubits, quantum operations, interference measurement result. It does not mean a quantum computer simply makes every calculation faster. Advantages: potentially powerful for molecular simulation, could help pharmaceutical research, potential applications in optimization, potential impact on materials science, important implications for cryptography. Disadvantages: qubits are extremely sensitive to errors. Hardware can be technically difficult to maintain. Large-scale fault-tolerant systems remain challenging, not useful for every ordinary computing task. Broad commercial value is still developing. Forrester classifies quantum computing as a long-term emerging technology, with broad commercial value still years away.
Ranking number 4, AI supercomputing and AI chips desktop computer. What is it? Modern AI requires enormous computational power. AI supercomputing combines huge numbers of specialized processors, high-speed networking, massive memory systems, and advanced cooling. Instead of one powerful computer, imagine thousands of processors working together as one AI factory. Gartner identifies AI supercomputing platforms as a major 2026 strategic technology trend. How does it function? Data AI processors parallel computation model training/inference output. Specialized accelerators can perform huge numbers of mathematical operations simultaneously. Advantages: enables training of large AI models. Accelerates scientific research. Supports advanced simulations. Enables large-scale AI services. Improves AI inference performance. Disadvantages: extremely expensive infrastructure. Huge electricity consumption. Requires advanced cooling. Semiconductor supply constraints. Concentration of computing power among major organizations.
Rank number 5: Autonomous vehicles and physical AI cars. What is it? Autonomous driving combines cameras, radar, LiDAR in some systems, GPS, high-definition maps, onboard computing, and AI perception. The objective is for the vehicle to understand its environment and make driving decisions with decreasing human involvement. How does it function? Sensors, perception, object detection, prediction, planning, vehicle control. The system must recognize roads, vehicles, pedestrians, traffic signals, obstacles, and changing conditions. Advantages: potentially reduces human driving workload. Greater mobility for some people. Can improve transportation efficiency. Continuous monitoring doesn't suffer from human fatigue. Enables robotaxi and autonomous delivery concepts. Disadvantages: rare edge cases are extremely difficult. Weather can affect sensors. Cybersecurity is important. Regulatory approval varies. Liability questions remain complicated. Autonomous transportation is part of the broader physical AI transition, highlighted by Forrester.
Now number 6, AI in medicine and adaptive bio-AI. What is it? AI in medicine uses machine learning to analyze medical images, biological data, patient records, scientific literature, and other information. The more futuristic branch involves AI interacting with biological signals, potentially helping adapt treatments based on changing physiological conditions. IEEE's 2026 technology predictions specifically highlight adaptive bio-AI interfaces that can sense and interpret biological signals. IEEE Computer Society. How does it function? Biological and medical data AI analysis, pattern detection, clinical information, human decision. The AI does not automatically replace doctors. In many applications, it acts as an analytical tool. Advantages: faster analysis of large datasets. Potentially earlier detection of disease. Supports drug discovery. Helps researchers identify patterns. Can personalize some aspects of treatment. Disadvantages: medical errors can have serious consequences. Patient privacy is critical. Biased data can produce biased results. Clinical validation takes time. Regulation is complex.
Rank number 7: AI security and post-quantum cryptography. This category combines two related future security challenges: AI security. As AI becomes more capable, organizations need systems to protect models, data, users, and automated agents. Post-quantum cryptography. Quantum computers could eventually threaten some existing cryptographic methods. Post-quantum cryptography develops mathematical methods intended to remain secure against quantum attacks. Why is it important? The future security architecture may look like AI systems plus cloud infrastructure, plus autonomous agents, plus quantum-resistant encryption. Gartner lists AI security platforms among its 2026 strategic technology trends. Advantages: protects sensitive AI systems, reduces cybersecurity risks, helps prepare infrastructure for quantum threats. Supports secure digital communication. Disadvantages: security systems become increasingly complex. Constant monitoring is required. New cryptographic standards require migration. No security system is completely invulnerable.
Rank number 8, Neuromorphic Computing Brain High Voltage. What is it? Neuromorphic computing attempts to design computer architectures inspired by how biological brains process information. Instead of relying entirely on traditional computing architectures, neuromorphic systems can use spiking neural networks and specialized hardware. How does it function? A simplified concept: sensor input, neural spikes, hardware processing response. The system processes events rather than constantly processing every piece of information in the same way. Advantages: potentially extremely energy efficient, suitable for edge AI. Can process sensor information rapidly. Useful for robotics and autonomous systems. Could reduce dependence on large centralized computing. Disadvantages: programming can be difficult. Hardware ecosystems are still developing. Not suitable for every AI workload. Standards are less mature than conventional computing.
Ranking number 9, Multimodal and Frontier AI Models. What is it? Earlier AI systems were often designed around one primary type of information. Multimodal AI can work with combinations of text plus images plus audio plus video plus documents plus other data. A frontier model represents a highly capable general-purpose AI system at the leading edge of model development. How does it function? Multiple inputs, unified representation, reasoning, generation, multimodal output. This enables much more natural interaction between humans and AI. Advantages: more natural human-computer interaction. Can analyze multiple information types. Useful for education and research, powerful creative applications. Can combine visual and textual reasoning. Disadvantages: can still hallucinate. Training is computationally expensive. Copyright and data issues remain important. Deepfakes become easier to produce. Privacy concerns increase with multimodal data. Forrester identifies frontier models as foundational technology for the broader AI ecosystem.
Last number 10 in a rank, AI smart factories and industrial robotics. What is it? A smart factory combines AI with industrial robots, computer vision, sensors, digital twins, predictive maintenance, automated logistics, and connected machinery. The goal is to create manufacturing systems that can observe, analyze, predict, and adapt. A 2026 manufacturing roadmap identifies AI-enabled analytics, autonomous systems, robotics, digital twins, supply chain optimization, and advanced sensing among the major directions for smart manufacturing. How does it function? Sensors, industrial data, AI analysis, prediction, automated response. For example, a machine can detect abnormal vibration and predict that maintenance may be required before a failure occurs. Advantages: higher production efficiency, predictive maintenance, reduced waste, better quality control, greater automation, real-time production monitoring. Disadvantages: high installation costs, difficult integration with older machinery, cybersecurity risks, require specialized workers. Automation can change employment patterns.